Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today I'm turning my leftover Abenkwan into Abenkwan in Kontomiere stew. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Guys, for our ingredients for making our leftover delicious healthy stew, we'll be needing our leftover Abenkwan, that is our leftover banga soup, salt to taste, and this is Nkwan with the oil that we got from the Abenkwan, guys, pepper, onion, egg, and Kontomiere, that is the key ingredients for this recipe, and plantain. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. So guys, we are peeling our plantain. Na body and also say any apem, sorry. Any apem na obo. Na say apem too. Guys, if I say so na ye the palm you know. But abuche the end palm problem no be na sweet jini mo. But had the end the air day. So ye ni say ya. E ma ho no ye nika. E ye de to say apem na guys. You can try it. Because sometimes the small plantain can be very expensive, but if you make it this, if you make your big ones like a pinto this way, they turn out to be almost delicious, crunchy like the small ones. So yeah, And this plantain is also coming from my garden. We are done with the peeling of our plantain. Go ahead and add some salt. Our Kontomiere, then we just cover it up and cook it. And our pepper, guys. Kontomiere is ready, guys. So let's go ahead and remove our Kontomiere. Guys, our plantain is ready. So I'll go ahead and remove it. And then add cold water to it. Let's go ahead and blend our pepper. Add some onions, guys. Add our Kontomiere, guys. You should try this recipe. It's so delicious. Leftover and PalmNut soup. Making this delicious Kontomiere sauce with your PC. It's so delicious. For where the yen and nama boom pa na benko ya can on to or the mouse of Becca Sachuni. No, I ain't seen no mouth. So try dry a little bit of salt to make this tasty. So salt is always to your taste. Guys, our Kontomiere is ready, so we are going to add it to our soup. Another level. I young quite fast. What's also in your for go ahead and stir it in. It's ready. I'll go ahead and simmer it up and then cover it for it to cool on a medium heat. Our sauce is doing perfect, guys. So I will go ahead and add some Nkwan. That is the palm oil we got from our palm soup, PalmNut soup. The big soup. If you do and the authentic and Casawian to Ramuntion, if you want and Kontomiere designer Abenkwan stew. Hold on, Angela KOD, guys. Wow, mommy, and on my be the mouse, also on show. Yeah. So ready, I'm going to put off the fire and then we will dig it and serve. So, guys. Let's dig in our sauce and say our designer Abenkwan Kontomiere stew, guys. And guys, look at this. It looks so yummy. But as I'm quite simplicities in a hanaka. It's in a moment to me a demand. It's so. Guys, let's serve it with some egg and some avocado, guys. Some avocado. Look at this. This looks so delicious and yummy. Thank you so much, guys, for coming with me to make this delicious designer Abenkwan Kontomiere leftover stew. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss.